Hello everybody, welcome to Seven Savings Garden where we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other special events. Today I'm going to show you how to save seeds from cucumber plants like these. So these cucumbers are the ones that I got from my garden, and first of all you want to let them ripe as much as possible so that the seeds inside are much mature and ready to so that they'll be able to grow. So if you have cucumbers that are not really very ripe, they're not going to produce. So you want to get cucumbers that are really ripe and mature, and then you want to do this. You want to open it up to get the seeds for next year. So you have to start planning now for seeds for next year instead of buying seeds every year. You can do this and save money on seeds. That way you can get your own seeds, and you can also share the seeds with friends and family. So today I'm going to show you how to get seeds for next year from your cucumber plants from the garden. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it. We cut it in half, so like this. So you cut it in half like that, and let me show you the inside of it. You can see the seeds. Those are the seeds in there that we're gonna take out. So the next thing we're gonna do is you wanna take a spoon, and you want to get a bowl like this, or a pan where we're gonna use a spoon to dig the seeds out. You can use your fingers. Some of them might be so soft you might be able to just use your fingers like that to take it out, or you can use a little teaspoon like this and just pull it all out. And it comes out very easily like that when the cucumber is really mature and ripe, and you can harvest it and just do this, or you can just harvest it and leave it down for a day or two before doing it. But you can also just take it, cut it, get it from the garden, and just take out the seeds like this. All you want to do is just dig it in. Let me show you, get closer so you can see. Just take it out like that. And there you go. Look at the amount of seeds I got from just one cucumber. So I'm gonna do the same with this one right now. And these they're still good. You can still eat them, or you can just add them to your salad or whatever you want to use them for. And so what we want to do is since it's soft like this, if you can see, it still has some gel coating on it that you just have to let it ferment. The fermentation process takes place. So what I'm gonna do is just it has a lot of water in there already, but I'll just add a little bit of water and just let it stay in this container for like a day, so the fermentation would eliminate most of the gel that's around the seeds, and it will let it free and let it loose. As you can see from some of these seeds, you can see the attachment to looks like they're already coming out or already germinating, but you definitely still have a lot of them that you should be able to grow. As you can see, there's a lot of seeds. So we're gonna do the same for this one, and I'm just gonna put them aside. Then we'll come back later on tomorrow when everything is fermented, and then we can go from there. Okay, it has been 24 hours since we soaked this. We let this soak in the water. So now what you need to do next is get a sift like this, and we're gonna sift the water out, take the water out. So we're just gonna pour it into the sift like that, and just shake it like that. All the excess water, as you see, is gonna come out. Let me put it here, just check it. If you have a few that are not broken, just break it apart like that, but most of them are all broken. You can wash it again, but I will just sift it and just put it in this newspaper over here. See, they're completely out of the all the jelly stuff. All the jelly stuff that's close to the jelly stuff is out. So now we just have to sift it and put it on this newspaper for it to dry. You can use a newspaper, you can use regular paper, or you can use a tray. And just shake it a little bit more. And I'm just gonna spread it on this paper like this. Like that. And just spread it out. And after spreading it out, you want to put it somewhere dry and hot, and it's gonna dry up within 48 to 72 hours. Just one right there. Can't get that. So that is it. After a day, you want to come over and just move it around like that. Okay, this is the cucumber after 3 days of drying it. As you can see, really dry. Really dry. So what we're gonna do next is I'm just gonna use this paper to save it. I was thinking of putting it on a paper towel like this, but this paper is also fine. I'll just fold it in the paper towel and just put it in the bag. Also, what you want to do is get a bag or a container, Ziploc container that's gonna be you're gonna be able to save it, and then you want to write the seed and the date, so that way you know how long the seed has been there. After a couple of years, the seeds might not be as viable as it is after a year or two. So you just want to make sure that you keep track of it, so that way you know how long the seed has been saved for, and that way you can use the ones that are older first, so that way they don't go bad before you use the newer ones. Okay, so now I'm gonna just fold the paper over and then I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, once you're done folding it up, what I'm gonna do is it's nice and sealed. I'm gonna put it in this bag. I'm just gonna put it in the bag like that, and you have your seeds. Just seal it up, and you want to put it in a dry, cool, dry area, not really too hot or too cold, so that way it can last longer. As long as it's sealed like this, and you put it in this nice warm area in the house, especially around the kitchen or another dry area, it should be fine. It should last you a couple of years. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like the video or find the video informative, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, and happy growing, everybody.